This is the second Sugיא of Daf Chavav Amud Aleph. We're going to start at the highlight at Iba'aya Lehu. Iba'aya Lehu, they asked a question, Ta'av lo yitpalel mincha, if a person made a mistake and did not pray mincha, mahu, what is the halacha? Shitpalel aravit shtayim, should he pray aravit twice? So now the Gemara is going to give us two possibilities. Im timtza lomar, if you want to say ta'av lo hitpalel aravit, if he made a mistake and he did not pray aravit, mitpalel shacharit shtayim, he should pray shacharit twice. Why? Mishum, because the chad yomahu, because from aravit to shacharit it's all one day. Tichtiv, as it says in the pasuk, Vayhi erev vayhi boker yom echad, it was evening and it was morning, one day. Aval hacha, but in our case that we're talking about, right? We're talking about if he missed mincha, can he pray arvit twice? Hacha, in our case, tefillah bimkom korban. Tefillah is instead of a korban. We say the tefillot in place of the korbanot that we no longer have. V'kevan da'avar yomo, and since the day has passed, batel korbano, his korban is cancelled. So in our case as well, in the question that we asked, if a person did not pray mincha, can he pray arvit twice? Well, from mincha to arvit, it's a new day, according to the Torah. Therefore, you should not be able to pray. O Dilma, or perhaps, Kevan, since titzlot tarachamehi, prayer is rachamim, it's just asking Hashem for compassion. Kol emat dabai matzali vazil. Anytime, kol emat, kol is any, emat is when, or time. Anytime dabai you want, matzli vazil, you should be able to pray. So which is it? Do we say that tefillah is like a korban, and if it's a new day, you snooze, you lose? Or do we say that tefillah that is rachamim, and it doesn't make a difference if you miss mincha, now you want to make up mincha, you want to make it up during arvit? It's compassion, and Hashem always wants to hear our compassion. He always has compassion on us, and He wants to hear us pray. So which is it? Ta shma, come listen. This is a proof. We are 5 lines from the bottom. Da Amar Rav Huna bar Yehuda Amar Rabbi Yitzchak Amar Rabbi Yochanan. The Rav Huna, the son of Yehuda, said in the name of Rabbi Yitzchak, who said in the name of Rabbi Yochanan. So this is a memra. Ta'a, if a person made a mistake, v'lo hitpalel mincha, he did not pray mincha, mitpalel aravit shtayim, he prays aravit twice. Ve'ein bazeh mishum davar yomo batel korbano, and there is no problem here of, since the day has passed, his korban is no longer good. So we see from this memra of Rabbi Yochanan that if you miss mincha, you could pray arvit twice because it's rachamim. Meitivei, we're going to ask a question from a Braita against Rabbi Yochanan. And remember, Braita is a Tana, and Rabbi Yochanan's an Amorah. And Amorah cannot disagree with a Tana. So the Braita says, Me'uvat lo yuchal litkon v'chesaron lo yuchal limanot. There are certain things that are bent that can't be straightened, and certain things that are lacking that can't be filled. Me'uvat lo yuchal litkon, what does it mean? When it says, when the pasuk says that there's certain things that just can't be fixed. Zeh shebitel kriyat shma shalvit v'kriyat shma shel shacharit. This is somebody that purposely does not say kriyat shma of the evening or kriyat shma of shacharit. O tefillah shel aravit, o tefillah shel shacharit. Or he purposely did not pray aravit or the tefillah of shacharit. So we say this guy cannot make it up. V'chesaron lo yuchal limanot, and what is something that's lacking that you can't replace. This is somebody that his friends went to do a dvar mitzvah, and he didn't join them. So the Braita says that if you miss a tefillah, you cannot make up that tefillah. Rabbi Yochanan, however, said if you miss a tefillah, you could make up the tefillah. So, which is it? Right now we have a problem for Rabbi Yochanan because he can't go against the Braita. Amar Rabbi Yitzchak, Amar Rabbi Yochanan. So now we're going to have an answer. What's the Braita talking about? So Rabbi Yochanan says, Hacha, here in the Braita, b'maya askinan, and what are we dealing with? Shebitel b'mezid. You purposely didn't say the tefillah. When you purposely don't say a tefillah, then you cannot make it up. However, what was our question? Or what did Rabbi Yochanan say 5 lines from the bottom? He said, Ta'ah, if you made a mistake and you didn't pray mincha, you could pray arvi twice. However, the Braita says, bitel, meaning purposely. You purposely didn't do it. So Rav Ashi points this out. Amar Rav Ashi, Dikanami dikatani bitel velo katani ta'ah. Rav Ashi says, you could also see from here that it's taught bitel. In the Braita it says that he purposely did not do it. Velo katani, and it's not taught ta'ah. And the word ta'ah is not mentioned in the Braita. Shema Minah, learn from this that the Braita, when it says you can't make up the tefillah, it's if you purposely don't say it. But if you make a mistake, then we see from Rabbi Yochanan that you are allowed to make it up.